this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect contacts to WhatsApp on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly synchronize your contacts between your iPhone and WhatsApp. You will be able to do this on the latest version of the app, and everything will be automatically synchronized for you. So to do this, you have to access the settings and find the WhatsApp settings. So go into the settings of your iPhone, and in there, look for the settings related to the WhatsApp app itself. So once you find settings and then you go to WhatsApp, you will be able to control what is being synchronized. So immediately upon going over to settings, you will see here, allow WhatsApp to access. And the very first thing should be contacts. So all that you have to do is make sure that this option is ticked on. By enabling this, you will be given permission for the WhatsApp application to access your contacts that are currently registered on your iPhone, meaning that they will be automatically synchronized between the application, and you will find all of them inside of the app when you go to your contacts list. It's as simple as enabling from here, and of course, if you want to add new ones, you will also have the option to do so. So you use the three dots or the plus sign, and you will be able to register new contacts. You can also synchronize a bunch of other things, photos, give it permission to use your microphone, use your camera, Face ID, and so on. But the most important one for this particular video is going to be closer to the top, contacts. So head over into the settings of your iPhone, find the WhatsApp options, and then you can enable the contacts permission here. Once it is enabled, you don't have to do anything else. All of them will be automatically transferred over when you go inside of WhatsApp. If needed, update the application and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect contacts to WhatsApp iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.